towards the this direction. See how it tapers? So as you stitch all the way up, it tapers in towards the crotch area, and also the same on the side seam as well. As you can see, it's starting to taper in for a closer fit. So all that is left to do now, so I'm obviously going to re-sew these with the green thread, so I will be pulling those out. You need to then do your hems. So you would cut this, you would cut along here for your seam, and then you will neaten off the edge. So you can either overlock it or serge it,